comb that horse's hair. Deep breath in and out. Alright, let's start with a deep breath in and out. And do that for me again. In and out. Let the arms float out to the sides and drift back down. Breathing in and out. In and out. And now bend at the elbows, gather in and press down for sinking the chi. So deep breath in and out. Relax the mind, relax the shoulders. Deep breath in and out. And now, if you're not already there, take one foot, whichever foot, step it out about shoulder width, maybe just slightly more, and sink the chi. Deep breath in and out. And now, the arms will come out in front of us and drift back down. For opening the door. Deep breath in and out. Deep breath in and out. And now we're going to just sway from one foot to the other. We're going to take all our weight and put it on this leg. And this leg is empty right now. And then we're going to take all our weight and put it on this leg. And this leg is empty. So one leg's full, the other leg is empty. So it's like standing in an hourglass. We're going to shift back to this leg. Back to this leg. And it's really shifting the weight and just being conscious of full leg, empty leg really helps with balance. So that's what we're going to concentrate on right now, is the balance of all the weight on this leg is empty, all the weight on this leg is empty. Deep breath in and out. And now, on the empty leg, we're going to tap out. So this leg and the empty leg, tap out. Deep breath in and out. Deep breath in and out. We're just tapping the empty heel out and bring it back. Deep breath in and out. And now this time, as we tap the empty heel out, we're going to take the same hand and put it over the toes. Bring that back, fill this leg. This leg is empty, tap out, hand over the toes. Deep breath in and out. Deep breath in and out. And now, this time, as we tap out, this hand over the toes, we're going to take this hand under the elbow. And this is play the Pipa. Deep breath in and out. In and out. Deep breath in and out. And this is called playing the Pipa. Deep breath in and out. In and out. Don't forget about empty and full. Shifting all your weight back into this leg. Deep breath in and out. And now we're going to circle this hand up, this hand down. This hand will come to the top of the chest. This hand will follow underneath at the waist. We're going to bring this toe in and tap. We want you to take a step out. And then our palms are going to slide by each other. This one's going to reach up, and this one's going to reach down by the hips. And this is parting the horse's wild mane. Turn out the hips. One hand at the top of the chest, one hand at the hips. Slide the hands by each other and part the horse's wild mane. Deep breath in and out. In and out. breath in. And out. Now take this hand, bring it across your body, rotating your hips. Flip the palm over. This hand will come to the bottom of it, to the hips, and this hand to the top of the chest. Now, shift all your weight onto this leg. Tap this toe in, because this leg is empty, remember? Step out. Slide the palms by each other. Part the horse's wild mane. Turn out the hips. This hand circles under. This hand circles up. Comb that horse's hair. Deep breath in. And out. In. And out. Deep breath in. And out. Rotate to the center and sink the chi. And at the bottom, cross the wrists up and over and close the door. Deep breath in and out. Two palms down by the sides, one foot steps in. Two palms together at the chest and a little bow.